Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, VK Tech Insights. First of all, thank you for clicking on this video. Let me say about a brief introduction about my channel. My channel name stands for VK Tech Insights, Venkat Tech Insights. In this channel, I will be posting related to internships, hackathons, and data analysis tutorials related to SPC, SQC, and Power BI and Excel and some of the charts and related to IPQC also I will be posting, which is in process quality control, and I'll be quality tutorials. And today I will be posting on Google Cloud hands-on solution also, which I'm passionate about Google Cloud, and so that's all about my YouTube channel. So coming to today's video, it is all about Google Cloud Arcade solution, which is catching and data groups with LookML. Before starting the lab, let me explain what is Looker or Looker. Looker is a modern data platform in which Google Cloud you can analyze and visualize data interactively. So via Looker you can analyze the data interactively. So you can use in-depth data analysis and data different set data sources you can use, and you can create custom data applications. Okay, and let me share about what is catching. Catching the repeated commands which you are using in the lookup will be stored separately, so you don't want to run the exact query once again. This is all about the lab, and let me start this lab. Okay, and if you found useful, do like and subscribe. It motivates me to post a lot of videos, and I'll be posting daily one video to maintain my consistency, right? Good. Let the lab starts, and just start the open looker and start with the given username and password. Okay, so it will be good. Just paste here and just paste your password and click on sign in or login, right? Just go to the develop tab, click on here, and just click on the development tab, development mode, so where you will be editing the files which is stored in the locker or looker. Without development mode you can't edit the file, right? Okay, so give no thanks, it's a temporary, and just go for explore in this just develop tab in this quick lab emails. Okay, then what they are saying, we have to first delete the 8 to 13. You have to go to development mode, all I went here, and you have to delete the 8 to 13 lines. Okay, so just go to this models and training e-commerce models. Okay, so go to the 18 to just click delete this. Okay, 18 to 10 code you delete first of all. Okay, then you whichever the commands provided, just go to this command. First you have to go to the data group and paste here. Okay, and close this, and second SQL trigger command and paste here. You are going to trigger the SQL and maximum cache hours. Okay, then you just paste here down, right? Okay, then they're also giving the persist command. Here you have to persist with order group, right? And just go to here and paste here. Okay, then save changes, it will be changed, and click on the validate look ml. Okay, it will be validating. Okay, then and commit changes push, and you can give any command like message or push something you can give, and go to the production mode, and you have to give the production. Okay, and if you give the apply changes to a group, it will be working. Let me check whether it is updated or it is in production. Let me check. uh, Let me check here. Okay, so I have to go to the maximum cache and apply to the data group. So what I need to do, explore, persist with order data groups, right? So what will be the 11th? Maximum cache is persist with order label. Let me give control set here. Good. we have maximum capture here and label e-commerce training. Good. That persist also we have to delete. Okay, delete here, right? Then what is giving? Persist with order items data group. So copy here, and where you have to paste? You have to paste in the explore order items. Okay, so control V here. Now you change and validate lookml. I think it will be working, or we will go commit changes and push, and click on push. Okay, right? Then deploy to production. So I think it will be working now. See what I did in the sense, the three commands I have copied and pasted from here. Good. And here apply to the data group, and we have to follow check the commands like label e-commerce training, explore order items. Okay, and check like this and persist with order items data group. So your data grouping, right? This command you have to paste about the join users. In my video I have pasted update later, so wrongly, so only because it not get updated, and I complete the lab also. So thank you for clicking on this video. I will be posting daily one video related to about my intro. So thank you for watching this video. We'll be meeting back in another video.